Hello, my crafty friends. This is the fun project I'll be showing you. So, I'm taking this mixed media paper. Then, this is the Distress watercolor pencils set one, and I'm going to pick few colors from this. Then, I'm going to spray some water. Then, I'm using brush to spread it out. This is like a fun project. I'm going to make the camera closer, and I love this watercolor paints. Then I'm going to add other color. You can use watercolor pencils or even watercolor paints if you don't have this distress watercolor pencils. So I'm going to use this third color, which is yellow, red, orange, and yellow, and I'm sure they have names on that. I'm going to just splatter it on the top. I'm spreading it out a little bit. I'm blending it and as well as spreading it out. Now I'm going to dry this before I go for the next step. Now I'm going to do some stamping. I'm not going to use a lot, but few stamps. These are like a grungy stamp. I'm using a black archival ink. Then I'm adding another stamp which is again like a grungy. So now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to darken some of the areas. I'm using black, it's like a black permanent marker. Then I use this die and make this die cut, and I used like a white cardstock. Then I'm going to cut this. Then this is my focal point. I'm going to place it and see how I want it. Then I'm going to cut a little bit more. Now I'm going to use my glue and stick this on the project. Now I'm going to add that and make sure that it's properly stuck on the project. Then I'm going to add this focal point. Then I'm going to do some scribbling. I'm using the pen and doing some scribbling. Now I'm going to add the coat and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. Um, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.